Uninstall program not listed in your control panel, right? So how you can just delete or uninstall those applications from your laptop or Windows, whichever Windows you're using. For that, it's very easy. You have to go to the search bar, and here you have to look for uninstall, and here you will get this option of add or remove a program. Now you will be redirected here, right? So sometime you will not find that application here. So to fix it, there's another solution which we have right now, which is basically you have to go to the control panel. And once you go to the control panel, here you have to see an option where it says remove a program, right? So if you don't see any option, let me show you. Right here, just go to the categories section, and here you will see an option of uninstall a program. And here you will find all the applications, right, whichever not showing in your control panel. So let it be load, and once it get loaded, you can just search for it and you can uninstall it. So this is the only solution that is available right now, and you can just use it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.